need. You also said that you would be taking the family's jobs, but a small family's jobs compared to our only planet doesn't seem like too much of a trade-off. Finally, you also said that buses aren't out in rural Ireland, but if cars were banned, bus stops would be set up all around the place and trains. Firstly, according to The Guardian and the United States Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the UNIPCC, global climate change is 12 years away from being at an irreversible level, and the government needs to do something about it. We don't want the earth to die because of our habits. We don't even need cars. We have electric trains, electric and hydrogen buses, assuming the electricity comes from renewable sources, bicycles, and our own legs, which don't pollute the air. Getting rid of cars would be great. More people would walk and cycle and get fitter, and it would bring Ireland towards a better country and away from the title of most obese in the EU, as it is referred to by the Independent.ie and the Irish Times. We don't want to be rolling along with our cars. According to the Environmental Protection Agency and the Environmental Defence Funds, 75% of carbon monoxide emissions come from cars. In urban areas, harmful automotive emissions are responsible for anywhere between 50 and 90% of pollution. But that's not it. Think about all the emissions a car puts out when the car is being built. It starts polluting before it even hits the road. There are 4 major pollutants from cars. A car emits carbon monoxide when fuel in the carbon doesn't burn completely. A car's exhaust emits hydrocarbons, a toxic compound of hydrogen and carbon. When fuel burns, nitrogen and oxygen react with each other and form nitrogen oxides, otherwise known as laughing gas. But it's nothing to laugh about, as according to theconversation.com and the US EPA, it is 300 times worse than carbon dioxide for polluting the environment.